Is your Ford Ranger head unit showing a black screen when you plug in Apple CarPlay? Statistically, 80% of these connectivity glitches are fixed without ever visiting a dealership. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to bring your display back to life. Start by checking your cable quality and ensuring your phone port is completely free of debris. If the hardware is fine, try deleting the device from your sync settings and performing a soft reboot. Sometimes pulling the infotainment fuse for 30 seconds clears the cache and restores the display. Try these DIY resets first before committing to a professional diagnostic scan at the shop. As you can see, the vast majority of black screen issues are related to cables or ports. Always keep your engine off during resets to protect your vehicle's sensitive electrical components. Keep a non-conductive pick and compressed air in your glove box to maintain your connection ports. Remember that infotainment updates can take some time, so never interrupt the process once it starts. If these steps didn't work, it is time to have a technician check the APIM module.